Good morning, everyone. We were doing the chapter The Talkative Barber. Okay, so we'll start reading from page number 101. So, give him 3 pieces of gold. The Sultan cried. Now the barber, no, he was irritating the Sultan by non-stop talking. So the Sultan said that give him 3 pieces of gold coins. Uh, Losing all patience and send him away. I will not be shaved today. And he said that send him away because he was irritated by the non-stop talk of the barber. So he said then send him away and give him 3 pieces of gold and ask him to go away. I don't want to get my head shaved. Okay. My master, cried the barber, it was not I who came to seek you. See now what he's saying, that it was not me who came to you. You came to me. For you asked me to come. I did not come by myself. Okay, see, he is instead blaming the Sultan now. It was you who ordered me to come. Now he's saying that it was you who ordered me to come. I did not come by myself. So I will not quit your house till I have shaved you. Now he is become like a magnet. He's saying that अब मैं नहीं जाऊंगा until I have not shaved your head. I will not go. See, नहीं, he's not listening to the Sultan also. He's such irritating fellow he is. Okay. He then began narrating another story which lasted half an hour. Now, what he did, now he started narrating, saying the other story which lasted for half an hour. Okay, now again for half an hour he started irritating the Sultan. Instead of doing his work, he is non-stop talking. Stop making your fine speeches and let me go. Quickly, I have an affair of greatest importance. I have to go out at noon, said the Sultan. No, Sultan said that stop making all your this nonsense stories and let me go. I have some important work to do. I have to go out by this noon, means in the after by this afternoon. So let me go and stop irritating me by your false and non-stop talkings. When he saw that the Sultan was really angry with him, the Barber said. Now, when he saw that the Sultan was really very angry, means he was very much angry, so he said, "Oh, master, do not be angry. I will begin to shave you." Now, when he saw that the Sultan is angry, so he's saying that, "Oh, master, don't be angry. I will start shaving. I will begin to shave you now." Saying this, he washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. Now, he washed the Sultan's head and he began to shave. But he had not touched him even for 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, he didn't even touch him 4 times with the razor, and then again he started talking. My master, you are acting hastily in this matter. Means you are acting very in a very angry mood, of in a very you can say in a very disturbing mood. Okay, so don't be so angry. The barber is giving advice to the Sultan. Okay, so go on shaving me. Speak no more, ordered the Sultan. And the Sultan got very angry. So he's saying that you stop talking and start shaving. Stop irritating me. Be patient, said the barber. Barber said, okay, okay, be patient. See what he's talking to the Sultan. He is actually giving advice to the Sultan. Perhaps you have not considered well what you are going to do. Now he is asking the Sultan that what you wanted to do, what greatest work of importance you had. Now you have to tell me. See, a small barber, he is ordering the Sultan that you have to tell me what work you are going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. See, nobody asked his opinion. उसकी राय नहीं मांगी किसी ने भी, but still he is saying कि you tell me what is the matter of great importance and I will give you my advice. Nobody is asking, but still he wants his advice to be given. Finish shaving at once, the Sultan exclaimed. But instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. Now what he is doing, instead of shaving the Sultan, he went out and to see what time it was. Okay, he is wasting time and he is only going and see what is the time. My patience is exhausted, the Sultan cried. Now, after so much of irritation, the Sultan says that my patience are giving up. I don't no more have patience. He cried, means he shouted. He was very angry actually. Be calm, my master, and you shall be shaved in a moment. Now, what he's saying, you please be calm, don't be angry, you will be shaved in a moment, said the barber. And saying this, he continued shaving the sultan. But while he was doing this, he could not help talking. He was doing his work, he was shaving the head, but still he could not stop talking. He was non stop talking, talking, talking. If you could inform me what this important affair is, I would give more advice, which you might find useful, he said. Now he's saying that if you tell me that what work you had of great importance, you tell me the work, I will give you my advice. Maybe it will be very helpful for you. He is not asking his help, he is not asking anything. Still, that barber is non-stop saying that please tell me what it is, what it is. So this is the signs, it is showing that he is very talkative and he wants to know everything, and he thinks that he can give advice on all the topics. Okay, so rest of the chapter we will read in the next video. Okay, till then just go through this chapter, and if you find any difficulties or any word or anything that you do not understand, you can ask. Thank you.